we are going to change our bandage, and I'll show you how I do mine. This is how I was taught. So make sure you have your accept thing. So it looks very similar to this. Don't use this on your skin. This is only used on your catheter. This is only used for your skin. So I'm going to sterilize. You can wash your hands for 60 seconds, or you could just put hand sanitizer on, and that's what I do. So we're going to lift up. You can just bring it down just a little bit, and I just do this. Make sure there is nothing leaking, no crust or whatever from your solution. So normally I just get 2 of these. You don't have to put a mask on because we don't need to. You can if you like, but you're just going to put a little bit like that, fold it, and then you just circle it. And clean your tube all the way up. I do it twice because that's how I was shown, and it makes sure it's extra clean. Sometimes you will get crust because you use this solution stuff. Well, not solution, it's more like ointment. And I'll show you, but that's just dried up, so it's fine. So I use clindamycin, and you just put like a little pea drop, not too much. Fold the corners. And you just make sure it's all around their area. And we're going to get our bandage. It looks just like this. And you just cover it up like that. Make sure you pinch the tube, and you're all done. Whole new bandage. Always make sure you do your bandage every single day to keep it clean and away from bacteria, and you are good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.